Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Al-Asr, chapter number 103, verse number 1 to 3, Wal Asr. Innal insana lafi khusr. Illa alladhina amanu wa amilu salihati wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis sabr. That by the token of time, Allah is taking the promise that human beings are in khasara, they are in loss, except those who have faith, those who have righteous deeds, those who exhort people to truth, and those who exhort people to patience and perseverance. For any human being to go to Jannah, minimum 4 criteria are required: Iman, righteous deeds, exhorting people to truth, that is doing dawah, and exhorting people to patience and perseverance. If any one of these 4 criteria is missing, you shall not enter Jannah. You may be a very good Muslim, you may be offering 5 times salah, you may be fasting in the month of Ramadan, you may perform Hajj, but if you don't do dawah, you shall not enter Jannah according to Surah Al-Asr. If Allah wants to forgive you and put you in Jannah, it is Allah's prerogative. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 48 and Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 116 that if Allah pleases, He may forgive any sin, but the sin of shirk He will not forgive. Because a person who commits shirk has strayed away far. So if Allah wants to forgive you and put you in Jannah, it is Allah's prerogative. But under normal circumstances, according to Surah Al-Asr, if you don't do dawah, you shall not enter Jannah. Only dawah is also not sufficient. All 4 are equally important: Iman, righteous deed, watawasaw bil haqq, that is dawah and islah, watawasaw bil sabr, inviting people to patience and perseverance. So it's compulsory that every Muslim should at least be a part-time da'i. You don't have to be a full-time da'i like Shaykh Deedat or a full-time da'i like me. At least be a part-time da'i, it's a fard.